Hey, what's up guys? I have the PM2 here with the titanium scales done by Blades We Love, but you know what? I'm not sure if these titanium scales are made in the USA. They're probably not. So I'm going to, even though I like them, I'm going to swap them out with some for sure USA made scales, AWT. And these are aluminum, and they also delete the liner, so I want to go ahead and do that swap. Alright, this side will have the compression lock. Yeah, I believe these are Cherokee or anodized, I don't know, one of the two. And then this side deletes the liner, and it still has lightning pockets in it, and I believe these actually make it lighter than the G10 scales. These are actually lighter than the G10 scales. So we're going to take it all down, taken apart, so okay. Instagram, and I will sell them to you if you're interested. Driver trick here. Okay, and this will remain in here. Okay. Alright, now the other side. I thought these were captured pivots. Okay, yeah. So it is a D shape in there. You probably can't see it, but there is a D shape. Pivot. There we go. Alright, that's back together. Pin out. Okay, that came out. Alright. I'll go ahead and put the stop pin in while I have it out. Okay. Now this one, I'm gonna have to grab it because it's free spinning. Put the standoff on. So the blade goes on like that, and then this, we'll do it without this. Sorry, you guys can't see. Alright, I'll just put the blade on there. That's gonna look pretty good. It's already centered pretty much. Alright, now let's get these screws tight. There's that one. Now I can tighten it. Wow, perfectly centered. Man, these feel very, very good. Wow. Man, that's good. And look, it deletes the holes for the left-hand side, which is awesome. And then I'm gonna put the Lynch deep carried clip, and I anodized this blue a while ago, and I think it's gonna match good. So let's see. There it is, guys. USA blade and scales and clip for sure. These feel very light and they feel awesome. Highly recommend these. They did a great job. Alright. See you guys on the next one.